Gold prices continue to defy gravity, reaching unprecedented levels as market volatility remains high. Today, we will break down the XAUUSD technical outlook using both the 4-hour and daily charts to identify the next potential targets and key support zones for traders. Looking at the 4-hour chart, the bullish momentum is clearly dominant. Switching to the daily time frame, the picture becomes even more robust. XAUUSD is firmly in a bullish grip. The gap between the current price and the 20-day SMA at $4,481.83 shows the sheer strength of this rally. While the RSI is touching the 70 level, often considered overbought territory, we don't see any signs of bullish exhaustion yet. Historically, in strong trending markets, the RSI can stay elevated for a long period while prices continue to climb. This suggests that the overall trend is far from over. So, what is the next target? Immediate resistance is found at the record high of $4,690.81. A decisive daily close above this level would psychologically open the doors for a move toward the $4,700 and potentially $4,725 levels. For buyers, any dip toward the 4-hour 20 SMA could be seen as a strategic entry point, provided the support holds. In summary, gold remains a buy on dips market until a major reversal pattern emerges. However, always remember that trading involves risk, and with gold at record highs, tight stop losses are essential. Subscribe for more daily technical updates and stay ahead of the markets.